What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hopefully each and every one of you guys is having a great and amazing day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Follow me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. As you see, we are taking off the intake right now, and the reason behind that is because we are going to be swapping out my spark plugs because we're having a bit of an issue. I don't know if you guys saw the last video or the video before the last, because I'm not sure which video is going to be released first. As you see, there is tint going on the RS right now. Pretty much I had 5% in the back before, 35 up front, nothing on the windshield. Right now we're doing 5% all around, 50% on the windshield. So with that being said, while he is tinting the car, I am going to swap out my plugs, hoping that it solves the issue where it completely cuts power for a brief second while under light throttle. I'm hoping it's just the plugs, but we will take it all apart and see. All right, see right there. See how it just like completely cut power. And jerked. I don't know what's going on. So right now, obviously, we're taking the coil packs off, getting access to the plugs. That one's on there a little loose, seems like. Anyhow. Bloop. Alright, coils are off, it's just time to pull the plugs now. Alright guys, let's start removing these spark plugs. Number one. might have been causing the issue right there. Okay. Yeah, correct. Yeah, so it's gonna randomly lose power. I don't know if it's actually like dying on the light. It's not like I'm having to turn the car back on. Like, and it'll be right. Like, if you just lightly accelerate and shut off, and it jerks. I don't know if I'll night. I wonder if it's like the battery. All 4 of them are corroded. Alright guys, so we got our new spark plug here. Of course I run the NGK one-step cold air radium plugs. Let's go ahead and start installing these. I was recording that whole thing. Alright guys, all the plugs are in. Let's just put the coils in, tighten them down, put the intake back on. And yeah, all the plugs are changed. Pretty simple job. I mean, 30 minutes of taking your time. Recommended to do this every, I want to say 10 to 15,000 miles. In my case, it's been about 8,000, and I already have corrosion. I'm hoping this solves my problem. We'll take it for a little test drive later. Maybe get some tacos. That sounds fucking amazing. I hope so. I'm gonna message them. I want some tacos. Last time we went to got tacos, this guy just forgot to order the proper one. I don't know if you guys have tried it, but the new Tijuana style tacos are really life-changing. I mean, it changed my perspective on tacos. They're just so much better. Nope, never tried them, and they're right by my shop, dude. No, I was going to, but I got busy. Maybe we'll take you guys along to get some tacos. Right. Oh. Alright guys, all the coil packs are on and tightened down. Time to put the intake back on. And well, I guess it would help if we connected the coils, otherwise we might be in some trouble. Alright, time to tighten up the intake. Alright you guys, so everything is buttoned back up. That was the last thing to do, so hopefully the spark plugs fix my issue. I was low on fuel, so I was hoping maybe it could have been a fuel issue. I went ahead and pretty much got the tank down to nearly empty, and now we have a full tank, so if it was bad fuel, it could have potentially caused that issue if there was dirt in the fuel or whatever. So hopefully that could have been one of the causes. I always get my fuel at the same spot, so but it's possible that there was a bad batch. At least I'm hoping it's just that I changed my plugs, and in all honesty it doesn't look that bad. So I changed them anyhow, and I'm hoping that it makes a difference. Maybe one of the gaps is off. I didn't even bother checking the gaps, to be honest. I just put the new ones back in because they're pre-gapped from Mountune Plus. They're always gapped properly. That's one thing that I could say good about him. He always ships everything on time and in a timely manner. I literally ordered them yesterday. They got here today. So I can't complain one bit about that. So thank you to Adam from Mountune Plus. And they're gapped properly. I know that because I checked them last time. I checked them the previous time, and he literally gaps them 5 times before he ships them out, like you should with an NGK one step colder Iridium. Alright guys, with that being said, it's time to clean up my mess, put away my tools. That's going to conclude today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. I still have to button this up somewhere, and probably just going to zip tie it right there, keep it out of the way. Go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section below, and of course if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed already, please consider doing so and following me on both of my social media links, both Instagram and Snapchat. Until next time, I'm checking out.
Yeah, boy.